We've been doing surveys among younger consumers, especially pre-engagement consumers, for years. We just got back our latest survey results. It turns out 80% of Gen Z and millennial customers who aren't married want to get engaged. And in fact, that's up from a survey that we did 5 years ago. So engagement is alive and well. It's also shifting a bit. This is the first year that multicultural engagements will actually be bigger than white non-Hispanic engagements. And that's interesting, too. I mean, that lends itself to trends like yellow gold jewelry. Of course, we have bilingual sales associates and signage in our stores. So I think we're well prepared for that new phenomenon as well.
Okay, I can't have you on without talking about where the company was when you came in. I'm just so proud of you. I mean, frankly, I thought the company was a goner. I told you that at lunch. I said, why are you taking this job? I mean, come on, this thing is just done. The turnaround has been pretty much on your time frame. And it started with the culture, didn't it?
I think it really did. We had a culture that was pretty top-down. People didn't feel comfortable innovating at all levels of the organization. We've changed all that. We've been a great place to work company for the last 5 years, and I credit it to being a purpose-led company. You know, at Signet Jewelers, we get up every morning thinking, how can we inspire love in the world? That's what jewelry does, and I think especially at a time like this in our world, inspiring love is more important than ever.
Well, I understand that there are people who actually on vacation do business because they like working with you and are selling well.
That's true. In part, that's because of the digital tools that we've given our sales team now. We have over 5,000 sales associates who have a digital storefront. So they're actually marketing and selling right off of their own social media. It's fantastic what we can do now with digital tools.
Well, okay, so there are a couple other things that I'm trying to get a handle on that had to do with COVID. So you had this period where people were shut in, so they weren't meeting people. How do we really know that that's going to be necessarily go to fruition, so to speak? Are people still dating like they used to? I mean, give me some numbers. What does your data show?
Yeah, so we've identified 45 milestones that couples can go through between the moment when they meet. 45 trackable milestones. So not every couple does every single one, but these are typical
I don't think I did any.
So, for example, going on a trip together or moving in together would be late-stage milestones.
Okay.
In the past quarter, we have seen those two milestones surge in terms of how many people are crossing over into that period of time where they're ready to get engaged.
How do you have that data?
Well, we developed it through surveys that we did with customers and through working with partners like Google. That's another good example. Google searches for engagement rings are up 10% over the most recent period. It's the first time in 2 years that they've been up versus the previous year. So we've worked a lot with our partners, Meta, Google, et cetera. We have our own proprietary data. So we know a lot about dating couples. And so we feel quite confident that our predictions are right and that the engagement trough has happened and we have a 3-year tailwind behind us.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.